everybody, this is Sandra with Lili Alessandra. I'm so excited today because Macy and I are finally together. This is Macy Stucke. Her blog, in case you haven't checked it out, is called Stuck on Style. We are going to do a dream bedroom makeover. This is step one of our 3 parts video sessions where we're going to sit down and talk about her bedroom as it is today and what are the components that we want to do to put her bedroom together as something brand new.
It's very special to me to be here today and to finally choose something to have in my own bedroom, in my apartment. So my bedroom right now is very functional. I have all of these shelves that have all my bags and shoes, but my bed is nothing beautiful. Yeah. It's just basic, it's white, it's very minimalistic, and it doesn't match my personality or my fashion.
Okay, so we're going to redo apartment urban living and very casual and young lifestyle. I love it.
So I like neutrals.
Okay.
I guess I envision something like white and gray, or you know, more tan, but nothing like no color, no pinks or.
Right. I envision already some whites or off-whites for you with some of our quilted pieces, and gray and platinum is all over my line. This is part of 2018. We're calling it Gia. It's actually this bedding right here. It's very simple. It's ivory or almost white with pewter. The beautiful part of working with those neutral colors is, say that, you know, in a couple years you just want to change it a little bit. You just put a little pop of color,
right,
or soft color with just some decorative pillows, and you have a brand new look.
What do you think looks more elegant and is more timeless?
I like the tailor skirt. The beautiful part is this is machine washable.
Oh wow, that's
awesome.
awesome.
So you can live in this all the time and it still looks great. But I think we've got a lot of options based on what you said with neutrals in the first 5 or 6 collections.